I've been coming since 2007, so I believe that's 15 years. And a good friend of mine who I was living with at the time was hospitalized, and one of your programs was having Sharon, who's retired now, go to the hospital and do art projects. So she introduced her to We Care, and then I became involved and never really did art, picked up art, cared about art so much. And once I started coming here, I really liked it. They taught me step by step how to do projects, and I've been coming back ever since. That's one thing about We Care that makes me feel good about myself. When, you know, I work to do a piece, it goes in the store and it sells, and people like what I do. So that makes me feel really good. It helps my self-esteem and my self-worth. And I feel valued. So it's a great program.